And for anybody else that's watching this, I was specifically making this for Kim, but I'll probably share it with more people. I'm making a video on how to use QuickTime Player on a Mac. So you probably have it already on your Mac. If you don't, you'll have to go to the App Store and download it. But once you do, it'll be an application. You click QuickTime Player, and once you click it, sometimes it's a bit funny. If you click it, it sometimes pulls up like files. I always just X out of that quite quickly. And then it might just be my computer as well. So once we have QuickTime Player here, I'm going to go to File. And then, it probably won't let me do it. But anyway, we'll just click New Screen Recording here. And once you click that, it will come up with a, I'm just trying to think what the best way is to show you. So it will come up with like a small screen, and it'll have a record button on it, right? So you'll click record. But one thing that I had to do was there was a drop down, like a little upside down chevron, I guess you would call it. If you click that, it'll say use your audio, use your speaker. So make sure you click that if you're doing it, and then you'll be able to record. The other kind of little tip and trick is when I was doing it at first, I couldn't figure out where it went to stop the recording. So it'll walk you through how to record it, and then it just like goes away. And where you stop the recording is actually up here, and you just click that button and it stops the recording, and then you can go here and save your video and do what you need to do to it. If you do need to edit it, I suggest editing it in iMovie. I think that's what it's called, iMovie. Yeah. Why does that not sound right? But anyway, it doesn't matter. I can make a video for you on how to edit if you need to. But this is just a short snippet to show you what you need to do. Let me know if you have any questions, all right? Thanks.